Looking to brighten up your outdoor space without raising your energy bill? In this video, we'll explore the best solar yard spotlights that deliver impressive illumination, eco-friendly performance, and lasting durability for your garden, walkway, or patio. Number 1. Nymphy Spotlight. The Nymphy Solar Light 6-pack is an impressive choice for homeowners seeking reliable and bright outdoor illumination. Equipped with 56 market-leading LEDs, these solar spotlights deliver excellent brightness and create a striking lighting accent wherever installed. What makes them stand out is their ability to run for 6 to 20 hours depending on the sunlight absorbed during the day, providing flexibility for various lighting needs. Compared to other options in the market, the Nymphy spotlights are known for their durability, prolonged lighting hours, and brighter output, which is a major advantage for anyone looking to enhance their garden, driveway, or patio. Another highlight is their superior weather resistance. Constructed from high-strength ABS material, these solar floodlights can operate in extreme conditions ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Their IP68 waterproof rating ensures resilience against rain, snow, frost, and intense sunlight, making them perfect for year-round outdoor use. Additionally, the anti-fogging lens design keeps the light output clear and bright, effectively preventing common fogging issues that could diminish lighting quality. Energy efficiency is another area where the Nymphy solar lights excel. Fitted with polycrystalline silicon solar panels, these spotlights boast a 20% energy conversion rate, outperforming many competing products in terms of charging efficiency. This ensures consistent performance whether the weather is sunny or cloudy. Users also appreciate the 3 brightness settings, low, medium, and high, offering adjustable lighting according to the occasion or need. Number 2. Innogear Spotlight. The Innogear Spotlight is a smart, versatile choice for outdoor solar lighting, offering a thoughtful design that addresses some common issues found in competing products. Unlike many models with fixed light and panel heads, the Innogear outdoor solar lights feature independently adjustable components. The solar panel can be tilted up or down by 90 degrees to maximize sunlight absorption throughout the seasons, while the light head itself adjusts independently at a 90-degree angle, allowing users to direct the illumination precisely where it's needed. Brightness is another strong suit of the Innogear Spotlight. Capable of producing a concentrated beam of light, these spotlights are perfect for showcasing flagpoles, sculptures, trees, or any outdoor feature that deserves attention. With 2 working modes, users can opt for a high mode, delivering maximum brightness for up to 6 hours, or a low mode that extends illumination up to 12 hours, offering flexibility based on lighting needs and energy conservation preferences. A notable technical feature is the advanced 1.5W monocrystalline silicon solar panel, which enhances energy conversion by up to 30% compared to conventional panels. The smooth panel surface design prevents dirt and debris buildup, ensuring optimal sunlight capture without frequent maintenance. These lights also come with automatic dusk-to-dawn functionality, eliminating the need for manual switching. Installation is straightforward thanks to the 2-in-1 functionality. Homeowners can either stake the lights into the ground for landscape use or mount them on walls with the included screws for broader coverage like driveway or patio lighting. This versatility makes them suitable for various outdoor setups, from gardens and garages to decks and pathways. Number 3. Wenaty Spotlight. The Wenaty Spotlight makes a strong impression with its balance of brightness, versatility, and weather durability, making it a valuable addition to any outdoor lighting setup. With 46 high-performing LEDs, each spotlight delivers an impressive 800 lumens of brightness, capable of transforming gardens, pathways, and patios into beautifully illuminated spaces. The light produced is clear and intense, making it ideal for both decorative and security purposes around your home. Wenaty's 3 brightness modes offer excellent flexibility, catering to different outdoor lighting needs. The low brightness mode is ideal for soft ambiance, providing over 20 hours of continuous light. The medium brightness mode delivers a good balance of radiance and battery conservation with over 10 hours of runtime, while the high brightness mode, powered by an efficient solar panel, ensures intense illumination for up to 6 hours. This range of options lets homeowners adjust lighting based on the occasion or energy-saving preferences. Built to withstand outdoor challenges, the Wenaty Spotlight features an IP65 waterproof rating. This robust weatherproofing allows the lights to function reliably through rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. Whether it's winter frost or summer heat, these solar lights remain dependable and maintain their brightness. Installation is convenient and adaptable. Users can stake the spotlight into the ground for a seamless lawn or pathway setup. Number 4. Lansow Spotlight. The Lansow Spotlight stands out with its remarkable brightness and smart design, making it a top contender for anyone seeking powerful outdoor solar lighting. Equipped with 57 high-brightness LED beads, these spotlights produce an impressive 700 lumens of cold white light. Their innovative reflective structure reduces lighting loss and maximizes brightness, delivering a wide, consistent illumination that outperforms many similar products in the market. One of the most appealing features is the Lansow Spotlight's 3 adjustable brightness modes. Users can select between low, 30% brightness for up to 15 hours, medium, 60% brightness for 11 hours, or high, 100% brightness for 7 hours modes, providing flexibility for different lighting needs and battery conservation. The automatic light sensing feature ensures the lights turn on at dusk and off at dawn without manual operation. Another advantage lies in the high-efficient adjustable solar panel. Its 90-degree vertical adjustability lets users capture sunlight more effectively, maximizing energy storage throughout the year. The rechargeable battery further enhances lighting consistency by storing ample power for extended use. Installation is quick and versatile with 2 options: stake the lights into the ground or mount them on a wall using the provided screws. This dual functionality makes them ideal for a range of outdoor applications, from illuminating gardens and patios to lighting up driveways and fences. Number 5. Kaxiida Spotlight. The Kaxiida Spotlight offers an excellent blend of simplicity, brightness, and durability, making it a practical choice for homeowners looking to enhance their yard's nighttime ambiance. Its wireless, 2-in-1 design makes installation a breeze. Users can either stake the lights into the ground or mount them on a wall, allowing for versatile placement around gardens, pathways, patios, and landscapes. One of the standout features is the sufficient brightness provided by its 3 brightness settings. These settings give users control over the lighting intensity, helping to create the desired ambiance while also conserving battery life as needed. Whether lighting a pathway for safety or adding decorative accents to garden features, the adjustable modes make this solar spotlight adaptable to various situations. Its combination of adjustable brightness, fast charging, and durable build places it among the best solar yard spotlights for those seeking to enhance their outdoor living spaces with eco-friendly, energy-saving solutions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.